First of all, guys, take a look at this channel. It has around 23.2K subscribers with only 16 videos, and many of those videos have reached millions of views. If we look at the content, these are simple, cartoon-style animated videos. One of the popular videos has already crossed 1.1 million views. So today, we're going to create AI animated images and videos in this same style. Our main focus will be AI image generation. First, check out these AI images on the screen. They look clean, professional, and very high quality. All of these were generated using a free AI tool. And the best part is that every image has a consistent style and a consistent character. Today, we'll also turn these images into animated videos using a free AI tool. So please don't skip this video. It's going to be very interesting and valuable. All right, let's start. First, I will give you a prompt link in the description. Simply open it. After opening it, you will see a complete master prompt. Inside this prompt, the main character is already defined. After the character section, there are two parts. Part 1 includes 10 image prompts. These prompts contain environment, lighting, camera angles, moods, and scene details. They also describe what type of scenes should be created. Part 2 includes 10 video prompts. These are motion prompts that explain how each image will be animated. All motion details and instructions are included there. So what you need to do is very simple. Copy the full master prompt. Go to ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box. Use the free version. You don't need to purchase anything. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will first generate Part 1, which includes 10 image prompts. After that, it will generate Part 2, which includes 10 video prompts. Now our image prompts and video prompts are ready. Next step is image generation. We will use a free AI tool today. I will provide the link in the description. Go to Higgsfield AI. On the homepage, you will see their newly launched tool called Higgsfield Soul 2.0. This is a new AI image model that we will use for image generation. Higgsfield has also launched many other tools like Sema Studio 2, Kling 3.0, and many other AI tools. In the image section, you'll find Higgsfield Soul 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, Image Enhancer, and more. If you go to the video section, you'll see tools like Kling 3.0, VO3, and other video models. Another interesting thing is that Higgsfield also offers an earning option. You can upload your videos there and earn from the platform. There are many more tools available, like Face Tools, Angle 2.0, Image Enhancer, and others. But today, we will focus on image generation. So simply go to the image section and select Higgsfield Soul 2.0. Now, our first step is image generation. Let's start creating the images. As you can see on the screen, the interface of this tool looks very clean and beautiful. First, go back to ChatGPT. After going to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt. Then come back to Higgsfield.ai and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now here is the most important part. Don't miss this. Go to the Model section and select Higgsfield Soul 2.0. Next, select the image ratio. I recommend 9:16, but you can also choose 16.9 if needed. Then select the resolution. Keep it high quality. On the right side, you'll also see a character option. From here, you can create your own consistent character if you want to use the same character in multiple videos. There is also a general style option where you can choose different image styles, but I usually keep it on default. Another important thing, Higgsfield gives you around 2,500 images free for the first time, which is great. Now simply click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first image will be ready. As you can see, our first image is generated using Higgsfield Soul 2.0, and it looks super amazing. This model has many improvements: better consistency, enhanced colors, and more realistic quality. Now let's generate the second image. Copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the box again, keep the same model and settings. Click Generate. After a few seconds, the second image is ready. You can see the character style is fully consistent and looks very clean and professional. Now repeat the same process for the third image. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and within seconds the image will be ready. Now let me explain what has improved in Soul 2.0 compared to previous versions. First, the character consistency is much stronger. When you generate multiple images, the face, hairstyle, outfit, and overall design remain much more stable across different scenes. Now let's move to the next step, video generation. Go back to the home page of Higgsfield.ai, then go to the video section. From here, you can choose any model such as Kling 3.0, Kling 2.6, VEO 3. I will select Kling 2.6. First, upload the image that you generated. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompt. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Select the video duration. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. Repeat the same process for all scenes. Upload image. Paste prompt. Generate. As you can see, we first generated images using Higgsfield Soul 2.0, and then we converted them into videos. Remember, if your image quality is good, your video quality will also be good. Higgsfield Soul 2.0 is currently one of the best and fastest tools for consistent AI image generation. You can also check their plans if you want more generations. Generate images, convert them into videos, upload to YouTube, and your content has strong viral potential. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next one.